Coming up on Headline News. Scarborough is the setting of a new feature film. Hello, you're watching Headline News. I'm Katie Hazeldine and a very warm welcome to the programme. A 9-year-old aspiring baker from York has decided to share her nan's apple crumble recipe with others online. Emily has decided to treat her mum to a homemade apple crumble for Mother's Day this weekend. And with her sister, she has shared a video on social media for other children who might want to surprise their mums too. Sophie Aristotelis spoke to them earlier.
It's Mother's Day next week. I love my mum and I'm sure you do too. So I'm going to be making an apple crumble. I was thinking I thought we could film it to show other kids to make something special for their mum. Because she does a lot of hard work for me and my family, so I thought I could do something nice for her. Well, my mum really likes apple crumble, and I thought I could use apple crumble because my nan also really likes it. And it's simple. I've always liked doing it. I've done it since I was 5 or 4. But I've been doing this channel for about a week. The first ingredient is probably ginger and brown sugar. My crumble is now done. We're going to put it in the oven when we start Sunday dinner, so it's nice and hot when it's time for pudding. It's very nice served with ice cream, Greek yogurt or custard. Happy Mother's Day.
And that's your Headline News. We're back again tomorrow at 6 p.m. Coming up next on That's TV, it's a local weather followed by That's 60s, a selection of hit music from the swinging 60s. But from me and the rest of the news team here, it's goodbye for now.